Good morning, everyone. We are here at 10 Clyde Street in Pensacola, Florida, 32503 this morning. And it is such a beautiful day, and I cannot wait to show you guys this beautiful home. Take a moment to show you the street view here, this gorgeous yard. Gosh, it's a lovely day, so let's go ahead and get inside. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 1 full bathroom home, just over 1,400 square feet. You do have the front entrance on your carport and this beautiful little patio here with your planter boxes. You could absolutely put some chairs out here and enjoy the sun, but you also have a great backyard with some good seating as well. So let's get into it. Coming through the front door, we walk into what I would probably describe as a formal den, I would say, because as we get further back into the house, you're gonna have a more functional living room. But again, total preference. Give you guys another shot. So here we are, beautiful double windows. You do have that glass door. And then, of course, as you can probably see already, this wonderful luxury vinyl plank that runs throughout the house, except for in the bedrooms, you are going to have carpet. Also to mention, before we get into the kitchen and the other bedrooms down the hallway, you do have a 2024 roof, a brand new water heater, and a brand new HVAC. So we are knocking things out here. It's wonderful. All right, here in the kitchen, you can see I've been showing you guys these beautiful wood cabinets. I absolutely love the look of these. I think it's just so timeless, and they're real wood, so that's fantastic. Tile countertops here with the stainless steel split sink, and as well as that tile backsplash too to really just match the look. And of course, you know by now, one of my favorite features in a home is going to be a gas stovetop. I love gas appliances, and you have that here, which is amazing. Just across the way here, you do have a little 2-seater breakfast bar, but don't worry. As we come into this separate room here, you do have a separate space for a more formal dining area. So just through that pocket window there, you can see you could absolutely put a table and chairs here to probably comfortably fit 6. You do get some sliding mirrored doors for storage in here. I think this is nice because since it is a living room, you could put, blankets, linens, games, other things that you need just right off the living room. And this is what I was talking about, something a little bit more living room-esque, beautiful windows on 3 of the 4 walls. I definitely think that this wall space right here is large enough to host a TV, and then you can get creative with your seating arrangements in here. But I just love how much natural light comes through these windows, and you are gonna get a backyard and side yard view, which I will show you guys after we look at the bedrooms. One more look of the kitchen. And all 3 of your bedrooms and your full bathroom are going to be on this wing of the house. So let's go ahead and start to the left in the bathroom. I personally am in love with this bathroom. I love the tiling, the swan doors. I mean, this is just, honestly, I think it's pretty chic. I love the detail on the flooring. And you do get this adorable vanity right here. I mean, it's already built in. You've got the 3-wall mirrors, some beautiful lighting. I love this bathroom. This is going to be a tub shower duo. So you do get the tiled wall with the tub, and you do have your shower head up here. I love it. All right, and just across the way from this bathroom is going to be our first bedroom that we're going to see. You do have a small window in here, and it is going to be a front yard view. As I mentioned before, all the bedrooms are going to be carpeted, and you do have a nice size closet in here. It is going to be a wood shelf, which I love, and a metal bar. So there we go there. All right. Then we're gonna come next door. You get 2 windows in here, and this is probably gonna be the largest of the bedrooms. Oh, let me focus in. There we go. The largest of the bedrooms. So a front yard window and a side yard window. Still same thing. You get a nice closet in here with the wood shelving and metal bar hang up. But yes, just beautiful. Such good lighting at this time. It's nice. A little bit of storage here just across the way. So those go back pretty far. So you could use these for sure as like a linen closet, cleaning closet, whatever you guys need. And then here we are in our final bedroom. Backyard window and a side yard window. And then same thing in here. Nice closet with the wood shelving and metal bar for hanging. All right. So now let's go ahead and take you guys outside. This backyard patio is just so cute. All right. So as we come out into the backyard, you can see it is fenced in. It's not a privacy fence, but still, if you have pets or kids, grandkids, niece, nephew, you still have a fenced in yard here so that all is safe for entertainment. You do get a nice concrete slab out here with the beautiful swing. You can put some other chairs or a table out here, and you've got some really nice landscaping too, so you can definitely get creative with this. As you can see, there is a shed here, so you can store your lawn equipment, toys, games, outdoor activities, whatever it may be. And then you can see the fence goes around to this side. So sweet. I love this. This is wonderful. You do have access. It's a dual access on both sides. So this one is a double wide fence, as you can see, so you can open that up if you need to park something in the backyard here, whether it be, a boat, another car, or you're hauling stuff out. That is applicable to do so. And then walking around on this side, you can see you've got some more side yard over here. And then we come to this gate right here that will take you back to your front yard. All right. So again, this is 10 Clyde Street in Pensacola, Florida, 32503. Such a beautiful house, brand new roof, brand new water heater. We would love for you guys to come check this one out.